Maruf and Jayanta Kaushal, do you get a feeling that Sambit Patra feels that if he apologizes on the News Hour tonight for the mistake, that it will amount to a political... 1 second, sir.
I should be the first one to answer the questions now.
Man, yes, you will, but I have every right to take a point of view from Maruf Raza and Jayanta Kaushal, who have been listening very patiently while you've dominated the debate so far. So, Maruf and Jayanta, do you feel... Very briefly, let's take your views in, because the BJP seems to object to your participation this evening. But do you get a feeling...
No, you have not given enough time to the BJP to respond to it.
I will give you enough time.
That the Congress... No, the Congress...
I will give you time when I give you time.
The Congress is misleading the nation to score some brownie points. It has kept the national interest in the bay. This Congress party was trying to mislead the nation by saying that the maps are part of MOU. Maps are never part of MOU. The Congress government knew this.
You're responsible to 125 crore people of India. Stop making allegations here.
Trying to mislead the nation. The Congress
how can you rationalize and defend an absolutely blasphemous mistake?
Was your spokesperson?
I'm astonished how you're continuing on your tirade to blame the opposition. This is our job. It is the job of the opposition to raise issues where the government is making monumental, I call it a Himalayan blunder.
Both of you need to apologize.
You have committed a Himalayan blunder. Mr. Patra, you have committed a Himalayan blunder. The Prime Minister needs to explain. The Prime Minister needs to apologize to the people of India if you cannot substantiate what has really happened.
Investigate as far as the press release is concerned.
No, it's our job to ask you questions.
How dare the
It is our job to ask you questions when you commit indiscretions, when you commit blunders that compromise with India's territorial integrity. It is our job to question you when you treat India's territorial boundaries as a real estate transaction. We will not allow it to happen.
Will you hold your punches for a minute for both sides, please? 1 second. Will you hold your punches? Will you pull your punches for a minute and let me ask you 2 questions, please? Now, you can go on and on like this. By the way, 1 second. First of all, 2 straight questions. Say yes or no. Tell me, Sanjay Jha, did you say that the maps were part of the MOU? Did Abhishek Manu Singhvi at the Congress press conference say that? Yes or no? Don't give me a long-winded reply. You are being accused of misleading the nation right here on the News Hour by the BJP spokesperson.
Absolute rubbish.
Rubbish what?
Absolute
did you say?
Rubbish. I want to tell the viewers on the News Hour today, I'm telling the viewers on the News Hour today that those maps were submitted.
I'm going to pull out that clip. I'm requesting our producers to pull out that clip.
They were signed.
No, I'll pull out the clip.
The party owes an explanation to the people of India.
No, I'll pull out that clip and one of you will have to apologize for that. But, do you think, Sambit Patra, do you visualize or fantasize of a situation where...
Can a government issue a wrong map?
Exactly.
Even if it is not part of an appended to the MOU.
No,
this kind of technical quibbling from a state government after a visit from a dignitary abroad.
The fact that MOUs are not signed with maps. So trying to say that
did anyone
please try and understand, suppose
to diplomacy of this country.
Somewhere,
none of you should have said that.
Suppose
but all of
the
you were
map
saying that the MOU should have been pulled down. Secondly, well, yes.
Was it not issued by the state government?
You also saw what
in the context of
Sambit, listen. Sambit, listen. You know what? First of all, what investigation? Please.
We'll see to it that heads roll.
Please understand one.
Things wrong.
Then 1 second. You can't play on both sides. First of all, I do not think Kamal Mitra Chana. By the way, you know, Maruf and Jayanta, do you realize you've just been censored here by the BJP spokesperson? But since you have been, and since 1 second, Maruf wants to come in. My only point is that it does not diminish whether it's part of the MOU or part of a press release. It does not diminish the colossal nature of the mistake. I mean, I do not think that Sambit Patra would have been so tolerant today had the Bihar government issued this kind of a map, or for example the Assam government had issued a map, because they are JDU and Congress party governments. But because it's the Gujarat government, you are so utterly forgiving.
No.
Utterly forgiving.
Absolutely no.
Well, don't.
Absolutely no. I have a press release over here when for the Panchashil meeting, Nirmala Sitharaman and our respected Vice President had gone to China. They had in fact asked for a clarification from the Chinese government because of their wrongful depiction of map.
I'm going to the clip. I think now. Now serious charges have been made. Maruf, 1 minute. Maruf, some fairly serious charges have been made. Some hot words have been exchanged. And I think the BJP representative has accused the Congress representative of lying. And I think the issue has become more serious than when we began. I will now play the clip, Sambit Patra. But you know, here on the News Hour, we have one rule. What is on tape is evidence. And what has been spoken cannot be taken back. What has been spoken cannot be twisted. So, Mr. Patra, for your kind information and also for that of Sanjay Jha, here is the clip of what Abhishek Manu Singhvi said. Ladies and gentlemen, when you watch this clip, think of one thing. Is Singhvi saying the mistake is on the map? Of the map is on the MOU, is part of the MOU? Or is Singhvi saying it is part of the press release? Okay? Here's the clip. We're coming back. One of these sides, one of these two will have to say sorry in 2 minutes. Let's play the clip.
You will see clearly that Arunachal Pradesh A, in the map distributed by the Constitutional Functionary Additional Chief Secretary of Gujarat, is shown in dotted lines clearly as a disputed territory. Please mark that the main lines are clear and these are very indistinct lines. So Arunachal Pradesh is dotted. It is more like a disputed territory.
Say sorry, Sambit.
No. Even I have the press release.
I just played out the tape. I don't know what you're talking about. I heard him there. He said, no, 1 second. If you were right, I would have backed you, but you're not.
The MOU should be pulled down.
What did he say?
Here in the press release it is written.
No, what did he say, Sambit? Sambit, what did he say? You know that piece of paper you're waving, even I have a copy of it. Even I have a copy of that piece. There's nothing original in the piece of paper that you're reading. But you said that the BJP...
Let us try to introspect why India makes these mistakes.
No, but you know, you're right here.
We are looking into it. But why the Congress misled by saying that the MOU should be pulled down?
Okay, so Mr.
And Arnab, you yourself
You want me to play the clip once more? I'm going to play the clip once more.
That's what the Congress was demanding.
I think somebody
Sanjay,
brazen and blatant tonight.
No, you see, either on fact, I said on fact. What is a fact is a fact. He says out there, and Maruf, I'm coming to you now.
The fact is that Abhishek Manu...
1 second, Sambit Patra, I've heard you now, please. Sambit Patra, please, I've heard you there. Don't show off your iPad out there. My question is, what does he say? He says the maps distributed by the constitutional functionary, the additional chief secretary of Gujarat are showing the wrong map. You see, so he's talking about the press release. He's not talking about the MOU. MOUs are not distributed by the additional chief secretary of Gujarat. So you were wrong there, Maruf Raza. What's going on now? Why is it getting so difficult? What is happening? Is it being seen as a political loss by Sambit Patra if he accepts it? And Maruf and Joyant, I'm coming to you both. Maruf first. Yes, Maruf.
Arnab, thank God you've given me a chance after wanting to come to me for 15 minutes. But let me tell you, it is a cartographic goof up. Now, why are we making it into a political issue? I mean, the Congress spokesperson here is thumping his chest and saying that you guys have got it all wrong. When you go back into history, the series of screw-ups that have led to India's China policy, bulk of them are the responsibility of Congress and their leaders. I have it in a conversation with a former army chief who then met the then Prime Minister, who was a Congress Prime Minister, who told him that our China policy will be what he had inherited from his predecessors. And that is, don't upset the Chinese. And that is a legacy that the MEA is following even now. Although the government has changed, the diplomats and the bureaucrats haven't changed. China does not accept the maps that India puts across to them, except for the middle sector, which has Nepal and other parts of it in it. And therefore, the Chinese are going to grab this map unless we formally dismiss it.
Formally, yes.
In a national, in a national statement saying this is nothing. Now, there is no legal rule which says that MOUs and press release cannot carry maps with them. If it has the blessings of a government spokesman, it is taken seriously by the adversarial
Obviously.
party. I agree entirely with what Mr. Pawan Verma has said, that it took us more years to wake up to China's development all along the border. Today they can deploy a division of 8 men with equipment every 36 hours. There are 73 roads that need to be made. We have only made 17 roads in 10 years. We are still lagging behind because we don't have the resources, we don't have the attention, we have basically wrong given in 3 different ministries which are trying to play. father to the Chinese policy.
Maruk, let me remind you, this is a government that is trying its best
is
to
an
start
embarrassment.
What are you going on?
Who understand issues?
We have
So if
taken
Mr.
great deal of pain
Jha
to see
or
to it
Mr.
that
Patra
border
defend their
infrastructure
government's
develops.
line,
For 10
they have
years,
both.
the Congress
I have a feeling tonight
it's sat
for
over
having
it.
slept through it.
We are trying our best to see to it that the mistake is undone.
Well, do it then. You have been just batting on the all. You know, you have
I
done
agree,
everything.
Mr.
No,
Patra.
Mr. Patra.
Patra. But let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you, don't ask for an investigation. Make a specimen of the guy who has embarrassed the country.
Oh, yes, we say so.
You
And
cannot
because-
cut and paste from Wikipedia
Because we know.
and put Indian territory up for ransom.
Absolutely. And let me say this, that the Doordarshan newsreader who read out the name of the Chinese leader as 11 Jinping was sacked. Now I want to know what happens in the Gujarat government. Do the same rules apply for members of the Gujarat government as they do for casual newsreaders at Doordarshan? And if not, why not? Jayanta Ghoshal. I don't think we are getting a sorry from Sambit Patra tonight, but his attempt to put the argument on the other side has clearly failed. Yes.
No, why failed or not?
No,
Even I have the press release and Sanjay was asking for the MOUs to be cancelled. Ask Sanjay why he was asking the MOUs to be cancelled. You were also asking the MOUs to be pulled down. Why were you all asking the MOUs to be pulled down if the maps are not included in the MOU? That's what my question is.
Don't use a red herring. Don't use a red herring. I think at this point of time,
no one is using any kind of herring. You have used this country to only satisfy your satiety of power. No one else is using any herrings over here.
Jayanta Ghoshal, please, 3 minutes into the debate. There's a big fight over the map controversy and neither side is giving up yet. Yes, please.
Arnab, I appreciate your approach of the debate. You are not supporting any particular party. You have criticized the role of the Congress government also. But now what BJP government has done, we cannot say that there is no FOFA. We cannot say that there is no mistake. But the unfortunate part is that the tutu mama, what Pawan said, that is the problem of our diplomacy. Diplomacy should not see in the prism of the party politics. It's not the issue of Congress versus BJP. But the problem is that the mistake, we have to accept that it is a mistake, it's a fault, it's a FOFA. If we don't accept it, whether it is in MOU or whether it is in the press release, that technical debate is also not very important, because why you are not giving importance to the press releases also? Press release is also very important thing, but because through press releases you are ventilating your idea, your content of the MOU, and through the map is very sensitive. So far China is concerned, we have criticized the role of Nehru on the map issue also.
That's right.
Lot of suspicion in the South Bloc on China, and after 62. What action Nehru took, that also several questions BJP also raised. Even the role of Panikkar as ambassador, he was close to Sarojini Naidu, and lot of history. I don't want to go to the history.
I think
but we should say that we are sorry. Then the matter...
We are not getting that tonight. We are not getting that sorry. We are not getting that apology. We are not getting that apology.
Our intentions are absolutely clear, and you'd all agree to the fact that we have a Prime Minister today.
Please, now you've repeated that many times. Has anyone said that Modi did it deliberately?
And he took up the issue of the
is anybody saying that Narendra Modi asked for this to be done, or he did it deliberately? What we are saying is that the Gujarat government committed an error which is unforgivable and which has huge consequences.
To Sambit and his government.
Aksai Chin has 37,000 square kilometers. You gave it away. Arunachal Pradesh is 87,000 square kilometers. You gave it away. What would you say to the people of Arunachal Pradesh and those people in Aksai Chin now that you let them down? I mean, for God's sake, don't make everything an issue of political hubris out here, Sanjay. Yes, please, Kamal Mitra Chenoy, last word. Closing the debate, getting no apology. Have to move on to debate number 2. Kamal Mitra Chenoy, what's the point you're making?
I want to make the point that this is not a party issue, this is a national issue. And therefore, we should treat it from our vantage point of looking to the country's interests. And what has been said shows a mistake has been made. When other mistakes have been made, there have been apologies, there have been corrections. This time, why is there a refusal to admit that something
there
went
should
wrong?
be no tolerance
We are not
for
gods.
this.
We all make mistakes. All
There should be no
political parties
tolerance
make
for
a
this.
mistake at some time or
Before knowing
another.
whether there was any kind of mistake or not, how can one issue an apology? Give time for the investigation. Kiran Rijiju has told.
Investigation,
He's
I'm
looking
sorry.
into it, ascertaining the
You're
truth of
diluting
it.
this
We
now.
would surely take action if there was any kind of
Mistake.
clerical error. We will
You are
surely
still-
take action.
you are
But
still
give some
doubting
time
the
for it.
advice
These
to
issues
somewhere.
will not
Mr.
be hurried.
Patra,
These
you are
issues
still
will not be
doubting
hurried.
Arnav,
The international-
Arnav has been showing
Mr.
that
Patra,
paper.
you're still
It
doubting
has
whether
come.
mistake took place. The map
Abhishek
is there for
Singhvi has
everyone
come
to
on this
see.
channel.
we all
That
are
has been
mature
shown.
people over
Patra,
here.
The mistake is clear.
How are you
I'm
saying
saying
Why
tonight-
are you digging yourself into a hole?
Let the investigation take place. Let us see. The Gujarat government has categorically mentioned that the map does not, was showing the location of the two provinces.
And
Let us
which
see what the whole
provinces?
issue was all about.
Which provinces? Which provinces? Name the provinces. Name it. Name it. Now enough, Sambit.
Name-
Let's name it. Which province?
It's about Guangdong province and
Guangdong.
the Guangzhou city of
Am I asking
China.
about Guangdong province or Guangzhou city? I'm asking about Arunachal Pradesh and Aksai Chin, for God's sake. You seem to be more concerned you seem to be more
map
concerned.
was about those two
You seem to be
provinces.
more
The map
concerned that
says
you're showing the
not,
map of Chinese
let the
provinces
investigation
right
go on
rather
as the
than
Home
that of
Ministry
India
has said.
wrong.
Thereafter, let us see what happens.
You seem to
Why
be more
don't you want
concerned
give
that you
time
did
for
not make a
investigation?
mistake with the Chinese
Why
map.
does no-
Why are you
why
more
does
concerned
no one
about
give
whether
time
you or
for
not didn't make a
investigation?
mistake with the Chinese map?
We are
One
all
advice
people
to
of
the government,
maturity.
very
We
well-meaning
should have
advice.
patience on these issues.
Well, one piece of advice comes your way, solicited or unsolicited, from Pawan Verma, with whom I'm closing the debate. Yes, Mr. Verma, go ahead, go right ahead.
One line advice, and it's a well-meaning advice.
Should have more patience.
Well-meaning advice. Somebody listen for a second, my young friend. My young friend, listen for a minute. One last advice. Please don't carry foreign policy at such a breathless pace. It requires careful thought and preparation and planning. Otherwise, mistakes can happen. This is my advice to you, both as a friend and a
from me
diplomat.
also, sir. You are my senior. That please, for God's sake, do not politicize all these issues. They are national issues on which all the
I don't doubt the intent,
standing
Sambit.
together.
Well, you know, all right. Sambit Patra, Kamal Mitra Chenoy, Sanjay Jha, Maruf Raza, Jayanta Ghoshal and Pawan Verma.
What do we do?
Pawan, I don't know what to do.
What do we do with the map?
Well, tell the Chinese it was a wrong map and send them the right map if they have any doubts. Thank you for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.
Announce it.